gotta be kidding me. Hello, I'm Eiden, and this is part 8, almost done, of my 9-part video series on how to do full PLL. If you want to watch the whole series, you can click the card up there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the V-perm. Now if you look at a V-perm algorithm, you can see one up here. This cube rotation here, this is the only PLL algorithm where the standard algorithm, the most commonly accepted algorithm for this case, has a cube rotation in it, which is what scares lots of people who are learning full PLL away from this algorithm. So today I'm going to show you that the V-perm is not as hard as you think. So let's get started. So this is what the V-perm looks like. It's a diagonal swap PLL, and it also swaps two adjacent edges here. So the way we do this algorithm is by holding it with this big block in the front left, and then we start with a regrip, then R prime, U, R prime, U prime, and then the cube rotation, R prime, and then this awkward F prime, R2, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, and then F, R, and then from here some people do an F with their left hand, but I find that to be less stable, so I instead just do a regrip and then F like that. That might make the algorithm seem hard to learn, but actually there is an easy trick that will help you remember it. So this algorithm is full of R primes, so we can remember it by going R prime, U, R prime, U prime, and the cube rotation, R prime, F prime, and then R2, U prime, R prime, U, R prime, and then just F, R, F. Now there are other V-perm algorithms, like this one, which is actually the one I use, and I will put these algorithms in the description, but I don't recommend learning them as your first V-perm algorithm, as they tend to be quite hard to learn. So this is me doing the standard algorithm as fast as I can. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, click the button over there to get a notification when I upload the next video in this series. Spoiler, it's the G-perms. So I will see you in that video. Bye!